This is how we started, and this is how we finished.
Hi, this is Russ from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we just finished up this pool deck with Lanai and extension. I didn't get a chance to really do any videos during the process, but this is the final shot. You can see in the background that there's a baseboard that we put in as well along the house there. We did repaint the plastics and seal them in with the polyaspartic as well. And this is the extension here. This color is Tidal Wave, polyaspartic top coat.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.